In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GOG Galaxy quickly and easily on your computer. GOG Galaxy is the official game launcher from GOG, and it gives you a simple way to manage your games, install titles, and keep everything organized in one place. If you're new to GOG or you just want the safest way to get the launcher, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the whole process. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to GOG.com. You can type it directly into the address bar or simply search for GOG in your browser if that's easier. Once the official website loads, take a look at the top right area of the page. That's where you'll find the GOG Galaxy option. Click on GOG Galaxy to open the official download page. Now that you're on the GOG Galaxy page, you should see the download option for the launcher. Look for the button that says Download GOG Galaxy 2.0. This is the installer you need, so go ahead and click it. Your browser may begin downloading the file automatically, or it may ask you where you want to save it. If that happens, choose a location that's easy to remember, like your Downloads folder or your desktop. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from the folder where it was saved. On Windows, this will usually be an .exe file. If your browser shows the download at the bottom or in the Downloads menu, you can click it there as well. After you launch the installer, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. You may be asked to confirm permissions, choose an installation location, or wait while the program installs. In most cases, the default options are fine, so you can continue with the standard setup. After installation finishes, GOG Galaxy should open automatically, or you can launch it from your desktop shortcut or start menu. From there, you can sign into your GOG account or create one if you don't already have it. That will let you access your library, download games, and sync your collection across devices. The most important thing here is to always download GOG Galaxy from the official GOG website. That helps make sure you're getting the latest version and avoiding any unsafe third-party downloads. If you ever need to update it later, you can usually do that right inside the app or by returning to the official site. So to recap, go to GOG.com, click GOG Galaxy in the top right corner, and then click Download GOG Galaxy 2.0. After that, open the installer and follow the setup steps to finish installing it on your device. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's installed, you'll have the official GOG launcher ready to use. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.